Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Then you should go to the system section. Like this one, then go to accessibility, and here you can find TalkBack. Here you can enable TalkBack, tap allow, and after that TalkBack tutorial should start.
TalkBack on.
And it's going to talk non-stop, so I'm gonna kinda mute it and explain it to you kinda briefly.
Double tap to activate.
So basically this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, people who have difficulty seeing the screen, and it gives you spoken feedback so you can hear what's on the screen. So basically you tap on any text banner, like sign, any kind of stuff, and this text gets spoken out loud. Like you can tap on
Welcome to TalkBack.
Welcome to TalkBack, page 105.
Close tutorial.
Close tutorial button.
Double tap to activate.
Also, if it's a button, it tells you double tap to activate, but it doesn't indicate that you have to double tap anywhere on the screen, not specifically on this button. So for example, you first tap close, then it says close tutorial button. And you just double tap anywhere on the screen like this. Close, double tap.
Navigate up.
So if you want to disable TalkBack, switch, double tap, stop, please, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.